Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 31st, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, auto, metals and mining, FMCG, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Bajaj Finance made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.32% to 1,141.20 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Bajaj Finance sees 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and AUM growth (REDIF). AUM growth guidance and credit cost assumptions are the two numbers that drive the stock. Any upgrade to AUM guidance signals demand confidence. Any deterioration in 90-plus day delinquencies is the early warning. The cross-sell ratio, products per customer, is the moat metric to track. Moving to IT and technology. TCS is down minus 2.71%, trading at 2,366 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by South Korea's bipolar stock market, meltdowns, a record rally and what's to come. Large deal wins, measured by total contract value, are the most important signal for TCS revenue trajectory over the next 12 months. BFSI and retail verticals in North America are the key spending sectors to watch. Any IT budget revision by US banks would move TCS estimates meaningfully. Moving to auto. Tata Motors climbed plus 1.77% to 340.10 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel is up plus 1.64%, trading at 189.99 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that what puts BHP, ASX BHP, back in metals focus? Kalkine Media. The near-term technical picture for Tata Steel looks constructive. Watch the 197.59 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to FMCG. ITC dipped minus 1.42% to 281 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. After today's weakness, the 272.57 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ITC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.38, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.